Sleep whisper therapy is a gentle relaxation technique designed to calm the mind and body before rest. Soft whispers guide the listener into a peaceful and secure mental state. The low volume and slow pacing help reduce mental noise and racing thoughts. Each word is spoken with care to create a sense of comfort and safety. This therapy is often used to improve sleep quality and reduce nighttime anxiety. The soothing tone encourages deeper breathing and muscle relaxation. Listeners may feel as if someone is quietly reassuring them. Sleep whisper therapy works well for people who struggle with insomnia or stress. The brain responds positively to soft, consistent sounds during rest. Whispers create an intimate and personal listening experience. Many sessions include calming affirmations or gentle storytelling. The therapy helps signal the brain that it is time to sleep. Regular listening can support healthier sleep patterns. It promotes emotional calm and mental balance. Sleep whisper therapy transforms bedtime into a peaceful ritual. It allows rest to come naturally and effortlessly.